Hello, nutrition class. I want to tell you that I have caught up with all grades over this weekend. We were having an issue with Schoology and Power School communicating with each other, so nothing was coming over into Power School even though I was grading. So it was discovered at the end of the week. I made sure that I reached out to tech. So I'm sorry that it looked like nothing was being graded all that time. It just was not copying over. So I had to hand put everything in. I want to tell you that I'm really, really enjoying the food lab observer and student evaluations that you did. I love reading that, your parents, their feedback. I'm very proud of you. It sounds like you all are doing a great job. And I have parents asking for more and more. So that's a really good sign. So I'm very proud of you for that. Don't worry about sibling feedback. I do take sibling feedback with a grain of salt, considering that I know maybe they're being super critical of you. So, don't have to worry about that either. But I thought you did a great job. Okay, so thank you for those of you that have handed that in. Don't forget, that is 150 points. So if you are not handing that in, your grade will drop drastically. So, my gift to you for this Christmas is to give you this time before the holiday break to catch up on anything that you need to do. Okay, so for me, if you owe me any work in the month of December, I want it handed in to me before we go on to break. Wednesday is your cutoff. I will not accept anything after Wednesday. Okay, so make sure that you're checking that first. You should have for the month of December, in December 7th folder, you should have your nutritional claim. That was on December 9th. It was a virtual Wednesday. This versus that label practice, that was on December 11th, which was towards the end of the week. If you have not completed your food lab paperwork, that is in the red folder. There are 3 things to get into me for that. One is the student eval, one is the parent evaluation, and then pictures. Okay, please make sure that you're getting them into me. They're worth 50 points apiece. All right, but getting in some versus none is better. Also, December 14th folder, you have labels, labels, labels. That was a discussion board. That was on December 15th. Also, let's read label activity, which was when I asked you to go into your refrigerator or pantry and take out any product and fill out that worksheet. Okay, practice reading labels. Please get that into me. Okay, I will not take anything after Wednesday, the 23rd. So by midnight, Wednesday, the 23rd, everything is cut off for the month of December. All right, so here's your opportunity. My gift to you is to give you a chance to catch up and bring your grade up. If you have everything done, then I'm giving you the gift of working on another class or some time for yourself. And if you're keeping up with your coursework, it's well deserved. Okay? Please make sure that you're filling out my exit logs each day so that I know what you worked on. If you worked on another class, tell me that. If you worked on my stuff, tell me that. If you are handing things in to me, then you need to send me a message on Schoology or an email listing out what you have handed in. I won't know where to look unless you tell me that you handed a late assignment in. Once I go through and grade them, they don't notify me anymore of people that are handing things in late. So please make sure that you message me or send me an email telling me what you have handed in so that I can go back and grade it. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. All right? You also have Remind. If you're signed up for Remind, that's a good way to get in touch with me too. All right. Have a great pre-holiday week.